how to add a TXT record in GoDaddy. I've just logged into my GoDaddy account. I'm going to click on my name here in the top right, and then I'll select the option for my products. Now, once we have this page open, we want to scroll down until we see our domains and choose the domain for which we want to add a TXT record. I'll do this one as an example, and I'll simply click on DNS. Now this is going to load up a new page with all of the different DNS settings here, and what we need to do is select add a new record, and for the type we will choose an option here. We want to add TXT, and here's where we will need to input the name as well as the value, and this is going to be the default TTL. So here, input the name, the value, and after you have input it, you will just simply click on save, and that's how you add a TXT record in GoDaddy. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.